High Court Civil Division Judge Musa Sekana, 14th July 2023, dismissed with costs the application by 5 journalists Abobe Kalubowa, Zambali Blasio Mukasa, Emmanuel Nkata, Hasifu Sechiunga and Martin Chimbowa, in which they sought to block Uganda Journalists Association UJA from electing new leaders following their disqualification.
It further indicates that the applicants obtained a temporary injunction against the respondents in conducting their affairs. We disagree with Justice Musa Sekana on this because we did not seek for that injunction. I'd like to commend Justice Musa Sekana for an eye-opener to the media fraternity that UJA is not a public body mandated to bring journalists together as an association, but rather a private company.
The case was dismissed on grounds that UJA is not a public body and cannot be susceptible to judicial review, which is part of constitutional law that enables people to challenge the exercise of power, usually by a public body. Counsel George Musisi, the respondent's lawyer from Pace Advocates, says although their case included the issue of people who were superintending over the process, yet they are the same people contesting as breaching the UJA Constitution and National Constitution. The judge's ruling only based on the technical issue.
Companies Act, the memorandum and articles, which was filed in 1983 and has not been changed up to then, doesn't envisage an association collecting money from members or even holding elections under the Constitution. So what happened is that these colleagues of ours relied on the Companies Act, which and the memorandum registered in 1983, which doesn't even envisage membership. It doesn't envisage people having membership cards.
According to the ruling, UJA is a company limited by guarantee and registered by Uganda Registration Services Bureau in 1983 by 5 businessmen as directors. However, the current directors registered as journalists in 2021. UJA, however, has been operating as a public body for all journalists in Uganda and has been collecting membership fee, which the aggrieved section of journalists say is an illegality.
They have hoodwinked people for long. So I think actions should be taken. The same directors have been obtaining money by false pretense in form of annual membership subscription.
These journalists are now asking Police Criminal Investigations Directorate to take interest in this matter because donors and government have been investigating heavily in this UJA company.
Anti-corruption unit. These people have been getting money from the president, from State House, lying to journalists that this is an association.
This revelation from the court ruling leaves journalists in Uganda without a public body to subscribe to as an association. I'm Navka Farida and Abdunassil Wama in Kampala.